Morning students, today we will start with the explanation of chapter number 4, and this is the last part of explanation of common insect. We will start with the harmful effects of insect. Many insects are harmful to us because they can damage our food, goods, and may cause many diseases. Now in this we will discuss the harmful effects of insect, how insect can harm ourselves. First point is mosquitoes bite people, pets, and farm people. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. Mosquitoes suck blood from humans' body. They usually survive in dirty water. Next is insect like termites damage wooden furnitures like table, chair, doors, windows, etc. Termites in Hindi it is called Deemak. I am showing the pictures. I am showing the picture how termites have damaged the wooden door. See the picture? Termites have damaged the wooden door. They have eaten up the wooden part. Now third point is insects like lice, bedbugs suck human blood. Their bite causes itching and rashes on the skin. Next is ants, gnats, wasps annoy people and may bite or sting them. Houseflies are common carriers of diseases related to digestive system because they sit on garbage and feces, and they may carry germs and when they will sit on our food, then when they sit on our food, they may carry the diseases which can cause many digestive problems. And last point is insects like cockroaches spread many diseases because they are carrier of germs. They are generally found in damp and dark places where food is available to them. Cockroaches usually live in drain, and they also carry germs which may cause many diseases. They also live in kitchens. Now next we will study about the remedies to keep insects away. Many insects spread germs which cause diseases like cholera, malaria, dengue. First point is doors and windows should be fitted with wire mesh so that insect could not enter the house. Next is keep the garbage in covered bins. Garbage should be kept in the covered dustbin. Keep the drains of our house clean and clear. Drains should be cleaned. Next, do not let the water collect in and around your house. Water should not be collected around our house because it is the breeding place for mosquitoes. Next, one can use insecticide and pesticide sprays to kill the insect. One can also use insect repellents like mosquito coils to keep the mosquito away from ourselves, and we can use mosquito nets also. One can use mosquito nets and wear full sleeves shirts and full pants to avoid mosquito bites. Odomos is also helpful in them. Keep the surrounding clean and do not litter here and there. One should keep our surrounding clean and one should not spit here and there because it may cause many diseases. These are some methods through which one can keep the insect away. If insects are away, it means one can keep oneself away from the diseases also. I am showing you some pictures. This is the covered dustbin. It is a mosquito coil and it is also a mosquito repellent. Now this much only. Now chapter is complete. From the next day we will start with the question and answer of this chapter. Thank you class.